The Japanese term kokochi means feeling, mood, or sensation, and it's often attached to other words to describe how something feels. By itself, kokochi simply indicates a feeling or mood. You can add a positive or negative meaning to it. For example,
心地がいい
means comfortable or pleasant, and
心地が悪い
or
心地が良くない
means the opposite. The kanji are as follows, which means heart, mind, or feeling, and which means earth, ground, or place. So together it means heart place or a state of mind. When placed after certain verbs and nouns, the sound changes to gokochi. Here are some examples.
居心地
Comfortableness of a place.
居心地着心地
Comfortableness of wearing clothes.
着心地座り心地
Comfortableness of sitting.
座り心地寝心地
Comfortableness of sleeping.
寝心地触り心地
Comfortableness of touching.
触り心地聞き心地
Comfortableness of listening.
聞き心地歩き心地
Comfortableness of walking.
歩き心地乗り心地
Comfortableness of riding.
乗り心地書き心地
Comfortableness of writing, for example, with a pen.
書き心地飲み心地
Comfortableness of drinking.
飲み心地夢心地
Dreamy, as if in a dream.
夢心地
And we'll end by breaking down one example sentence. Please see the website or become a Makoto Plus member for more sentence breakdowns.
このカフェは居心地がいいのでよく友達と話しに来ます。
I often come to talk with friends at this cafe because it's comfortable.
このカフェは居心地がいいのでよく友達と話しに来ます。
Practice using this very useful construction next time you want to comment on the comfort or the lack thereof of something. Until next time.
チャンネル登録してね。